Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome to 360 Digital Services, your key to unlocking new heights for your small business. With over 10 years of experience in custom web development, we cater to clients across the globe, providing top-notch solutions to boost your business sales and develop stunning websites. Boost your business web design and AMP development. With our comprehensive web development services, including web design, web applications, UX, UI design, e-commerce solutions, website architectures, QA testing, maintenance, consulting, and more, we have everything you need to create a thriving online presence. Why companies love working with our web development team. Client satisfaction. Dedicated teams. Flexibility. Competitive pricing. Hiring standards. Coding standards. Take advantage of our proven web development process and make your project a success. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Elevate your online presence and success with 360 Digital. Contact us now and let's embark on this exciting digital journey together. Click the link in the description below.